Hey guys, I'm doing a review on Blue Diamond Almond Breeze. As you can see, it's coconut, almond coconut, 45 calories. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. That's the ingredients. So, yeah. I don't usually buy this type. I usually buy the ones in the refrigerated section, but these are on sale, so, and I couldn't pass that up. So, let's give it a good check here. So this is their almond coconut. I usually get the silk one. Taste-wise, this one has a lot more almond taste than coconut. I don't taste any coconut whatsoever. So even it's thick like coconut, but it doesn't have any coconut aroma. Alright guys, if you have any questions or comments, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.